In this lecture, we will learn about base64 encoding and decoding. Base64 will convert binary data into text data. The text data gets passed through a communication channel where a user can handle the text safely. It is also known as PEM, or Privacy Enhanced Electronic Mail, and is mainly used for email encryption. If you've ever opened up a PDF or image file that someone sent to your email, and you saw strange characters, this means that the non-text files got corrupted. To help prevent this, we encode our data so that we send it in a format that various systems understand. Basically, base64 is a way to help ensure that the messages we send get sent correctly, without error. In base64 encoding, we convert bytes into ASCII characters. The 64 part means that we have 64 characters that represent numbers. Base64 means that we have 26 uppercase letters, 26 lowercase letters, 10 numbers, and plus and / for new lines. Please note that base64 is an encoding, not an encryption, so it is used for accurate data transfer, not security. Let's work on a simple code example for encoding and decoding base64 data. Python provides us the base64 module that allows us to encrypt and decrypt data in base64. Up at the top of the code, we will import the base64 module. Then we will create a variable named message, which we will set to the string hello world encoded in ASCII. Next will come a variable named encoded data, set to base64.b64 encode, with message passed in. Finally, we will print out encoded data. When we run the code, you will notice that hello world is now an encoded string that we do not recognize. We can decode data from base64 using the base64 module's b64 decode function. Let's create a variable named decoded data and set it equal to base64.b64 decode with encoded data passed in. To see the result of this, we will print out decoded data to the console. When we run the code, you will notice that hello world was correctly printed. The prefix of the letter B just means binary, since the format of the data being translated to base64 is binary. In the next lecture, we will learn about the XOR process and how to implement it in Python.